these are some of the crops that we have in Nigeria before, and the crops are now forgotten. So but we're thinking that with this discussion, with NACGRAB and with the support from Crop Trust, we can be able to revive some of these crops, and which will now be useful to improve our nutrition.
In the north, has about 3 different groups. They have different vegetables and
connecting to this one. The farmer is getting.
The meeting has been quite eye-opening in terms of the diversity of opportunity crops in the country, but also in terms of the different regions. Nigeria is vast, so even the issue of opportunity crops is also diverse as well.
Nutritionists had also preferred African eggplant over Pigeon bean. But I think otherwise the results are quite concerning.
this one you can do it like
Power of Diversity Funding Facility is a multi-donor initiative to promote opportunity crops across different countries. Why are we doing so? Because we believe in the power of crop genetic diversity and its positive impact for climate resilience and really improving the nutrition and healthy diets.
Which one comes first?
New developments is a welcome development for Nigeria, particularly nutrition for the children, for the women, and also for the men. So it's good to diversify so that we don't rely heavily on a particular staple crop.